Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. Let's draw a crane. So I'm going to take a stencil and I'm going to move it to the bottom of the page and also to the left so I have some space. Great. Let's trace some circles. These are geometric shapes. Here's a ruler and I'm going to go all the way up. This is a diagonal line. Can you say diagonal? Great. I'm going to draw a turned line here. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this and add a few more circles. I thought that might look cool. So here's the window, and here's a line, a vertical line going down, and then I'm going to turn my line there. Oop, another vertical line drawing down. Oop, these are X's and they're diagonal lines. Great. Alright, let's outline everything with a marker. So we're going to trace over all the circles, and you can just do 2 circles, it's up to you. And I'm going to also trace over all of my X's, and then I'm going to trace over this. If you want to use a ruler while you do this too, you can. Great. So after you finish tracing it, you're going to go ahead and color it in with crayons. Really press down hard and fill it in. If you fill it in, it's going to look really cool far away. Great, and you can choose what colors you want. I decided to add orange here, but if you want to add blue or black, you can. And then I'm going to draw black around the orange. So I'm drawing around the orange and still pressing down pretty hard. So, this is the blue for the window. And you can do what you want for your background. I decided to add some green and some clouds and some sun, or a sun. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy!